Welcome to today's video. Okay, and today we'll be looking at understanding the candles and how they behave. Okay, understanding the candle behavior and how we can use the behavior of the candle to know the exact next thing that the candle is going to do or the market will do. So we are using from the candle behavior to understand the next thing or the next move of the market. So it's purely price action. We're looking at a candle and using candle analysis to tell the direction of the market. Understand? Um, the market is controlled by buyers and sellers, the bulls and the bears, and the market we use the candle represents how the influence of both buyers and sellers. So we're going to look at specific candles and look at those candles and then use it to deduce and to know the direction of the market. Understand? That's what I'm going to do today. So you're welcome to this video. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe, become part of this family, and you will learn a lot. If you're looking at these videos, you need more videos from us, you will learn a lot. So remember what I said earlier, the market is influenced by both buyers and sellers, and the candles is what represents them. It's what shows their presence. So we can look at the series of candles here. The first thing to do when you're doing analysis, I prefer you start from a higher time frame. It's not good to start from a lower time frame because the higher time frame gives you a bulk of information, tells you more about the market than the lower time frame. The lower time frame is full with a lot of noise, so it's better as a new trader that you start your analysis from the higher time frame. You can take your entries from the lower time frame, but I prefer that when you're doing analysis, start from the higher time frame. From my analysis, I'm looking at this particular market. I'm wondering, will this market, what's really happening here between buyers and sellers? What's really happening here? What is really happening over here? What is really the tussle about? Why has the market been behaving like this? And what will the market do next? So you can see that for a while the buyers were able to pull the market to this direction. So this is the highest the price has ever come to. This is the highest. So price, because this was the highest price came, and then we had series of pullbacks, and we can know from this because we see that the moment price got this place here, it's put back here and try to regain control, but sellers were still present in. They pushed it down, and then buyers were able to pull it back, but they couldn't beat the highest they've been. And ever since then, buyers have been struggling to break that high. Yes, buyers have been trying. The bulls have been trying to break the highest price that they have been to. But what I can see here is that the sellers are resisting price from getting to breaking that price. And what also means that a lot of buyers have taken their profit. This is the zone of take profit. So a lot of buyers have taken profit at this zone, and then you have having more sellers present in this market. So what do you think will likely happen? What I think will likely happen is that yes, the buyers will try to beat the former the highest, but they will not be able to. At some point, at this junction, let me get my marker. At this junction here, the sellers will take over and then have a couple of run. And I think this is at this point we'll have a break of structure. Okay, at this point of structure, the sellers will the seller presently now buyers are in control. You can see the big candle forming at the D1. What I'm seeing happen that the sellers will start coming. There will be a week. There will be a week here. Means that there will be a week. So buyers will go and the sellers will take over and then push the market down to this point. Okay, it definitely will happen like that. So what will happen is that we will go and we will observe and see if this market did according to our prediction. Because if the market follow our prediction, it means that we will be able to use the markets, the candles, we'll be able to use the candles to understand the market next line of move. Okay, what I said, my analysis, I can see that the candles buyers will try because at this zone a lot of buyers are taking their profit, so I'm expecting price to drop. Okay, buyers are taking profit, sellers are beginning to get control because you can see the pullbacks. Even though sellers are trying, buyers are still there, but sellers definitely overcome because the more buyers take profits, the more sellers have more control. So definitely at some point, as a point in the price, buyers will give in, the sellers will push the price. You see a wick at the top, and then you see a selling pressure drop down to this zone, and then the market would have done exactly how we predicted it to have done. So we'll be back, and then we will show the proof of this market. We will enter a trade. Enter a trade for sale at a specific time when I trade for sale. I'm just waiting for it to get to a good zone around this plate. Then I'll enter a sell trade, and then we will see if the market later on did exactly what we predicted or not. If it goes against us, we'll tell you from the video. That means our analysis was wrong. And if we did exactly what we say, that means our analysis was right. So subscribe to this video so you don't miss any future analysis teachings, or because we're giving you videos on different strategies of different method of trading, how to be profitable. This channel is just all about profitability. We don't care about things people do that doesn't give them profit. We care about pure profitability, and we'll be giving you videos that will guide you and teach you on how to be profitable. So subscribe to this channel and see you next time. So guys, welcome back again. We're here to check if our analysis is correct, if we predicted correctly. Now in the morning we said that the market would definitely rally down, gonna sell. We did analysis based on the behavior and the nature of the candles, and we took a trade to further prove to us that yes, we know what we are doing, and currently we're on profit. So the market went all through our way. It has been selling for it's been selling. Okay, it's been selling. So this is 1 hour time frame. Now it's been selling, but it's been selling for hours now. Hours now, and we still expect it to still rally down more. So we're gonna take profits. So what does this mean? It means that the candle behavior can actually tell you the market direction. So studying how buyers and sellers interact can tell you the market direction. Forget about the indicators and the rest of it. Looking at the market directly, taking time to understand why the candle behave the way they do can actually give you a clear picture of what the market will do next without uh, any errors in your analysis. By studying closely, you can actually tell what the market will do next. You understand? So we can see that from our D1 that the market actually did so for hours. even though there were lots of buying pressure. You can see that for a long couple of hours, the market was really selling pressure was also there. So as we are able to hold strength, and they're still holding strength. I still expect this market to sell more. It's not over, it's over. So I expect market to sell more. It's not over until it's over. So I expect more. Okay. Remember our trend line. Um, okay. So I'm still expecting more selling pressure to another market to still sell up to this zone. So yes, there's buying pressure, but the fact that sellers have hold on the market till now tells me that the market will sell. So we will still we will still allow this trade to run from now till um till next day. Let's know how far the market will go. So good day, guys. So welcome back again to this video. Remember earlier we said that we didn't. So welcome back, guys. Welcome back, guys. So here today we did an analysis. We looked at the candle, and we we used the candle behavior and the direction between buyers and sellers to be able to predict the direction of the market. So we are here to test if to check if our prediction based on what we did in the morning, if it actually happened the way we predicted. Well, this is 5:38, and the market has actually been selling for hours. So what it means that our prediction is actually correct. The market has been selling. It is even sold a couple of hours, and it's still selling, and we're expected to still sell to the end of the day. Okay, so what this proves to you is that studying the candles and understanding the interaction between buyers and sellers will will give an edge in understanding the next move of the market. So you don't need complex indicators. You don't need much signals from different people. With just studying the market behavior and studying how the candle behave. Because remember I said earlier in the morning that the candle is the representation of uh, both buyers and sellers. It is candle represents them. It shows you what really happened. So studying past actions, studying past actions will tell you of what is happening now. Also tell you what will happen in the future. We are able to predict where the market if the buyers will take control, because in the morning our job was to understand between the buyers and the sellers who will take control over the market. Remember I said the job of the trader to understand who is in control or who was in control and who is in control and who is going to be in control in the future. So it is your job to understand that uh, uh, concept or something that. So we were able to use based on what we saw, we were able to deduce that sellers will be in control for a long period of time. And speaking right now, sellers actually we are in control and will still be in control for a long time. So I hope you're able to learn a lot. This market sold, we made some profit, we're still making some profit, and by the time gets to our stop loss, we will show you the result. But for now, subscribe to this channel because we will be going deep. Each time we're taking a trade, we're going to tell you the reason why we did that, so that you can also use the same pattern and also trade and also make money. because I believe in pure price action. I believe in looking at the market and it's knowing exactly what the market is doing from the behavior of the candles. Okay, there's a lot of wrong stuff out there, but looking at the candles, looking at just simple trading should be simple. Trading should just be simple things. No need complicating yourself with indicators and a lot of things. Trading should be simple. Look at the patterns, look at buyers and sellers, look at the candles. That should be able to tell you where the market is headed. And then one more thing, don't forget your risk management. Very, very important. So I will see you again next on our next video. Do take care.